Yeah, we're doing that stuff. What up, everybody? DC in the kitchen tonight. Ice cold canned corn. Deep sea gun ready to go down. Like, check out my buckies are blue. We got ourselves some pasta unbroken. Check it out. Squash, mozzarella, garlic salt, shallot, a lot of shallot, Italian parsley, butt hair, some onion salt or powder, I'm sorry, garlic minced, bell pepper, some chicken nuggets, and some fixins. Let's freaking go. All right, onion powder. Sprinkled in. Garlic powder in. Look at that, delicious. Garlic and fresh ground pepper in. Basil in. And a little pinch in here, why not? All right, just a pinch of masala going in. Butt hair in. All right, let's bring that together. All right, we'll bring these eggs together. Flour, panko breadcrumb mix. In. Squash in. Mexican squash in. Shallot in. Bell pep in. Italian parsley in. All right. Chicken nuggets in. Gorgeous. Look at that. Would you just look at it? All right, marinara in. Stuff's bomb. Look at that. Rosetta. All right, chicken nugget parmesan for my fam. Enjoy, y'all. Let's work. All right, those look delicious. Thank you, Amy and Tony, for the wonderful peppers and the lime. Check it out. We got Roni on deck, but first, ice cold freaking corn doozy canned corn going down. We got shrimp tonight, chicken, some lemon and lime, peppers, butt hair, lemon pepper, some onion, garlic fresh, bell pepper, green onion, some sweet chili sauce, some pilaf. Check it out. We're gonna cook tonight. Hey. All right, butt hair in. All right, lime squeezed in. Lemon squeezed in. All right, Roni in. A little fresh garlic in there. Why not? All right, wonderful synthetic powder mix going in. Yes. All right, let's sprinkle a little fresh garlic in there. Lemon pep in. All right, a little olive oil in. Olive oil in. Garlic fresh in. Bell pep in. Onion in. Yeah, look at those veggies. Cook them up. Yeah, butt hair in. Oh, would you just look at it. Marinated shrimp in. Yeah, chicken in. All right, garlic, I'll sprinkle in. Chili and lime in. Just a pinch. Oh, chili powder in. All right, a little more lemon pep in. All right, one for the homies. Sweet chili sauce in. From Panda Express. All right, we're gonna make this a little dirty and put some teriyaki sauce in it. In. And then just a little more lemon in. Dirty teriyaki chicken, sweet chili shrimp. Filthy, I'll tell you what. Look at that rice. Roni, babe, let's freaking eat. What's up, my friends? It is Taco freaking Tuesday. We got a margarita on deck here. This thing is freezing. Guerrero tortillas, flour. We got all kinds of these stuff here. Lime and some lettuce, cilantro, olives, tomatoes, cheese, Mexican style, cotija cheese, butt hair, garlic minced, some render chili, shredded chicken from our friends at Stater Brothers, margarita mix, beautiful pan with a B. Let's freaking get butt hair in. All right, shredded chicken in. This is a rotisserie chicken, Stater Brothers, delicious. Look at that. All right, garlic in. Sprinkle a little chili lime on there from Lawry's. It's new, it's delicious. Bam. Adobo ole, just a sprinkle. This chicken already tastes delicious. We're just gonna make it dirty. All right, just a squinch of lime. In. All right, tortillas. In. All right, chicken. In. All right, rolled tacos. Flautas, if you will. In. It's so much fun to make. Looks so delicious. Dirty rolled tacos. Flautas, if you will. Mexican rice from last night. Margaritas. Pan with a freaking bee. Let's eat. Look at this. What a mess. Delicious. All right.
Don't mess with us. You play with fire, you will be burned.
Good evening, everybody. DC in the kitchen. Modelo going down. We got some new stuff over here for me. Herb chicken, couscous. Check it out. Honey, white onion, butt hair, lemon, Italian parsley, garlic fresh, bell pepper, asparagus, some squash. My awesome new Z-Welling knife. I love it. Thank you, Kitchen Fantasy in Temecula. Some drumsticks. My pressure cooker R2D2. Beautiful pan with a bee in the background. Here we go. Let's freaking cook. Fresh ground black pepper in. Oregano in. Little Greek inspired seasoning in. Freaking lemon pep sprinkled in. Just a pinch of salt sprinkled in. Garlic minced in. A little olive oil in. Toss them around. Preheating R2. We got some drumsticks, but first, Modelo in. Some say I drink a lot. I don't. It's for the show, folks. Love you guys.
Drumsticks.
In. Sear them up. Butt hair. In. Garlic fresh. In. Onion. In. All right, parsley. In. It's getting dirty in here. Not honey. In. Oh my God. Look at it. Lemon. Freaking in. All right, chicken broth. About a cup. In. All right, R2. Do your thing, baby. Hey. Oil, olive, in. Water in. For the couscous. Olive oil, in. All right, garlic fresh, in. Veggies, in. Squash, in.
Butt hair.
In. Just a pinch of salt, in. Couscous spice, in. One for the homies.
Couscous. In.
Little lemon sprinkled in. Ah, yeah. Dirty drumsticks and couscous smothered in veggies. Delicious. Enjoy that. Let's eat.